ALTİM Alüminium Limited Company was established in 2003. Our company makes production in line with customer demands with 4 extrusion presses of 900 tons, 1,100 tons, 1,460 tons, and 2,000 tons. It has a monthly aluminium profile production capacity of 1,000 tons. We produce in 3 factories established on a total area of 30,000 square meters, including a closed area of 20,000 square meters. $400 tons of elozal and 250 tons of powder painted profile surface treatment can be done in anodizing and powder coating facilities. In our mechanical processing factory, precision, machinery and chip-free processes can be performed on profile with CNC machines. The mechanical processing factory has a monthly capacity of 100 tons of profile processing. We have ISO 9001, ISO 1401, ISO 4501, TSEN 12020-2, Qualanode and Qualicoat quality certificate. 6,000 groups allows mainly use in our manufacturing. All of our production comply with TSEN 755-9 and TSEN 12020-2. The sectors where the products we produce are mainly used in construction industry, automotive industry, furniture industry, advertising industry, machinery and equipment sector, energy, electrical, electronics industry, medical and medical equipment industry, chemical and food industry. ALTİM Alüminium follows the technological innovations in sector simultaneously with the world. It has adopted the principle of meeting the needs and expectations of our customers in accordance with the requirements of the management system and our goals.